excitement seems to be now building up for Tesla cars in India. There is also a lot of buzz around Tesla chief and investments that Elon Musk is going to make in India. Remember, he's set to visit India next week and meet Prime Minister Modi. He's also expected to unveil several investment plans and proposals for India, marking the start of a partnership that will make India as a favorable destination for Tesla, which has been looking away to move away from China for a while now. Now, ahead of Elon Musk's visit, Prime Minister Modi, in an interview to ANI, said that the world's richest billionaire is a supporter of India. Listen in.
हम भारत में टेस्ला कार, स्टारलिंक ये सब देखेंगे और इससे जुड़ा एक सवाल था कि क्या जब ऐसे कंपनीज भारत में आएंगे तो क्या नौकरियां बढ़ेंगी, क्योंकि बहुत से लोग चाहते हैं कि, और थोड़ा भय भी है कि जब ये इंटरनेशनल कंपनीज भारत आएंगी तो क्या भारत में नौकरियां होंगी नहीं होंगी, इन दोनों पर पूछना चाहती हूँ मैं।
देखिए, पहली बात है, एलन मस्क मोदी के प्रशंसक है, वो अपनी जगह पे है, मूलतः वो भारत के प्रशंसक है। और मैं अभी उनको मिला ऐसा नहीं, मैं 2015 में उनकी फैक्ट्री देखने गया था, वो कहीं बाहर थे, तो स्पेशली अपने सारे कार्यक्रम कैंसिल करके वो वापस आए, मुझे सब चीज़ें खुद ने अपनी फैक्ट्री में दिखाई और उनका विजन क्या है वो मैं उनसे समझा। मैं अभी गया तो दोबारा भी उनसे मिला था और अभी वो भारत आने वाले भी हैं। देखिए, भारत में पिछले 10 साल में दुनिया भर से हर क्षेत्र में पूंजी निवेश हो रहा है। अब हमारा ईवी मार्केट, इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल का मार्केट कितना बड़ा बना है, आपको जानकर के हैरानी होगी कि कितना बदलाव आया है, लोग पकड़ नहीं पाते। 2014-15 में हमारे देश में 2000 इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल थे, 2000 बिके थे। 14-15 में 2000 इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल बिके थे। 2023-24 में 12 लाख इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल बिके हैं। कहा 2000 और कहा 12 लाख। इसका मतलब इतना बड़ा चार्जिंग स्टेशन का नेटवर्क बना है, पर्यावरण को बहुत बड़ी मदद मिली है, यानी एक प्रकार से, और उसको लेकर के हमने आप एक पॉलिसी का रूप दिया है। हमने दुनिया को कहा कि भाई भारत बहुत तेज़ी से ईवी पे जा रहा है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करना चाहते वो आना चाहे, आइए।
All right, that is Prime Minister Modi, of course, talking about how Tesla's entry into India is incumbent. It is happening and it will not lead to job losses. In fact, he also talks favorably about the EV policy that the government has introduced, which will work for India and Indians, in a sense, squashing away doubts that any jobs will be taken away.
In fact, to the contrary, jobs will be created is the message coming from Prime Minister Modi, and I think that has been the thrust of the EV policy that India has come out with recently, where you want companies which want to sell in India to also make in India. Now, I think what is at play right now within the confines of India is a beautiful concept called competitive federalism. So this is a term coined by late Arun Jaitley, who in fact started off with cooperative federalism as a concept and then said that states also need to compete among themselves for drawing investments, and that led to this concept of competitive federalism, and that is what we are seeing right now. We've got states including Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu as well as Telangana, all pretty much, bidding for Tesla to really put up its plant in their states. And what is this going to lead to? Of course, this is going to lead to job creation for the youth of the state. This is going to lead to direct taxes, and this is going to lead to indirect GST collection as well for the states. So that is what is at play right now. So I think the first thing is job creation. The second is FDI investments coming into India, and I think more critical than both of these put together is the fact that an overall EV ecosystem which is going to be run and delivered upon ancillaries which are going to supply to this large EV plant of Tesla is also going to come up in other pockets of the country. So overall, the entire auto sector is likely to receive a fillip with Elon Musk's Tesla coming into India, no matter which state the final plant, the Gigafactory comes in, overall the investments in ancillaries, in components, all of that is going to get a fillip.
All right, and that has happened, of course, by the way of that changes in import policy, the EV policy, in a way that the government has now introduced to lower import duty on cars which are priced at a certain amount, in this case $35,000 and above, which is ensuring that Tesla is able to sell at least those first 8,000 cars in India.
8,000 cars every year, starting from the day the commitment is made to make in India. Now, as part of that policy, in addition to the 15% reduction from 100% earlier for cars costing $35,000 and more, you're also looking at commitments of the company investing in India. And I think the minimum threshold for that is at $500 million, but Elon Musk is likely to invest maybe 4 times to 6 times over that minimum required threshold.
And we'll of course get to know those details. Elon Musk is set to visit India. He's going to be in India on 22nd of April. We'll keep bringing all those details for you here.